Yo, shit. Can't fuck so much niggas. Niggas be too phony. Niggas be too phony. Niggas don't even know me though. Shit. Yo, can fuck so much niggas. Niggas be too phony. One minute they your friend, and then next to calling the police. All you niggas stories be below me. Never would I get taken by the pigs. You can tell a bitch what's had to blow me. Obi Kenobi with this rap shit. I'm a pacifist, I'm acid, bitch. Niggas know I'm on that smooth shit. Criminal, Michael Jackson on the beat. I move way too discreet. Niggas ain't fuck with me. I'm the best MC from A to Z. Can someone give me hallelujah, please? I do this swiftly. Also the best in the perimeter, cause niggas is bitch. Guarantee you this is something that you hide from the kids. This is freestyle, so imagine when I write shit, I rip shit. I'm the Kraken within this bitch. Who let me in? Oh my god, I think that I am Zeus. I'm out Olympus, looking down, taking niggas bitches. Yo, so is that your girl? Watch me take that. Whip with the whiplash. Hey yo, control your bitch if you want her on my dick. Pass it to the crew. Where the fuck is Pipe? He piped that bitch down too. Then he passed her right to Jacob. He finished her out, then he tossed her out. Without her mascara on or her makeup. Yo, and it's Bishop, so you know I'm quick to pull a trigger. No room for sympathy, say that for them other niggas. For them other niggas. Yeah, for them other niggas.